Commander morning. Awuthi ngishaya ngicede ngespeed commanders. Share the video, like the video. Commanders ngibone ivideo yathabiso ukhansela wase Rustenburg. Ukhuluma ngoFloyd ukuthi uFloyd akazange abaphathe kahle, ubatshele ukuthi mavoti yabo amakayenzi iseat and ivote lakhe liselele ku-EFF. Commanders bekunebantu be-ANC, I've said it, bebagcoke ingubo ze-ANC but bevotele MK. We owe those people. But when a councillor namhlanje ungena ku social media ukhuluma ngaFloyd Shibambo, kusho ukuthi nabo labazosijoyina nganeno sokhuluma kabi ngabo. But we need to ukuthi silandele le reality, commanders. When you didn't work, you didn't work. When bofanele uma bathi we didn't work, uyazibona manje you are the councillor, funa ukuthi upushe kusebenziwe. Don't criticize. We're not going to criticize you as our leader, as our councillor, because you are the face of MK right now. But when you come to social media ukhulume kanje, ngiyacela bafethu ukuthi noma ingafika kubaba uZuma wonke amakhanselara ye-MK sicela ukuthi babafake training to know how to lead, because baya mislead manje. Bakwazi ukuthi ilevel yabo igcina la ayigcini la. Wena bowufanele uconcentrate le groundini ukuthi i-community uyanceda, bantu be-farming uyabanceda, bantu labadinga isizo, abaguli bantu emakhaya labagulayo ba-check. That one is your job, to service the community. When you busy nje wenza izinto ezi-wrong ezi-necessary. Commander morning, ayifike kuyo councillor. Councillor, you out of order. City MK for life. We are pushing right now. We are not turning back.